Welcome back to our event channel. I'm Ryan. Last time I introduced our PPR pipe, and today I will introduce to you our PPR pipes fitting of PPR pipe. PPR pipes and fittings are mainly used to meet various needs of PPR pipes when building water supply routes. Below I will introduce you various PPR fittings and their usage. Common PPR pipes fittings include socket, elbow, T, union, valve, and the other fittings. First, let's look at a socket. It's mainly used to directly connect to pipes and extend the waterway. According to different needs, it divided into socket with T's, socket with T's and seat, reduced socket, and etc. What I have in my hand now is called elbow, which is used for connections where the waterways need to turn. According to different needs, it is divided into elbow with T's, 45-degree elbow, elbow with seat and teeth, reduced elbow, double elbow, etc. This is the T, which is used in the connection where the waterways needs to be dispersed. According to different needs, it divided into four-way, T with T's, reduced T, and so on. Now, there are various valves on the desktop. They are all used to control the state of waterways after passing through here, such as opening or closing, reducing or increasing, and so on. According to different needs, it divided into stop valve, ball valve, conceal valve, and the gate valve. Next, I will introduce some PPR fittings. They serve the completion of constructions of PPR waterways according to the different needs. End cup, crossover, pipe clip, nail plug, PPR manifolds, exchange hot and cold water, and so on. Of course, there are still many extended accessories we haven't introduced. If you're interested, please let me know. The instructions of PPR pipes fitting today end here. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know. The next issues, I will bring you the linking operations of PPR pipes and fitting. Thank you and goodbye.